In this video, we're going to look at how to create a Google Earth Engine account. To do that, you want to start by launching your web browser, signing into your Google account, and then in a new tab, type Google Earth Engine. Click this link, Google Earth Engine. Then scroll to the bottom and then locate sign up now here. Click sign up. Then choose the specific email you want to work with. If the email address you want to work with is not here, you can just click here and add use another account to add your email address, or you can just click from the list that is there. From here, click on register a non-commercial or commercial cloud project. Click this link. Then click on unpaid usage because you are non-profit, you're using this for education. Then in the project type section, select academia and research. From here, click on next. Click on create a new Google Cloud project, and your organization, you can leave it no and leave everything as default. Then click on continue to summary. Then from this message, it says you must accept the cloud terms of service before a cloud project can be created. So you want to click on this link, cloud terms of service. It will take you to a new tab. From this tab, select your country, then check this box to agree to the terms of service. If you like to receive email updates, you can check this as well, else you could leave it. Then click on agree and continue. After you're done with this step, go back to your previous tab, then click on continue to summary again. From here, just click on confirm. From here, you can allow Earth Engine to take you on a tour by understanding the interface or this work environment. So it is saying this area is a code editor. To take out of its features, click next or hit the escape to exit. So you can exit or be curious to know what it entails, so just go next. And it's saying the left panel consists of the script docs asset. The script tab contains example scripts and script you save using the save button in the code editor. The docs tab contains documentation for the Earth Engine API functions. And the asset tab contains a list of assets you have uploaded to Earth Engine. You can use it to upload, to view, and manage your asset. The next is the editor panel. This white space you're seeing here, it helps you to write and edit code and then run code to execute your commands. It helps you to save scripts, to share scripts using this link, and then Import appear at the top of the editor. Create dataset import by clicking on import. Create geometry import by using the geometry. Let's move on. The right panel consists of the inspector, the console, the task tab. So you can use the inspector to examine coordinate, visa values, layer information from any point on the map. The console holds outputs from point calls, charts, and errors, and long-running tasks are managed in the task tab right here. The UI width at the bottom of the map is where your imagery analysis are displayed right here. The pull down in the upper right corner of the map lets you manage your map layers right here. Visualization properties. The upper left corner provides you with geometry properties. Let's go back to the stage. Yeah. Okay. The upper left provides a geometry editor you can use to draw point lines and polygon right here. I think this window is covering it when this is off. You see the geometry tools here. You can manipulate the map with the map object and with the user interface API under the UI. Alright, so let's see what is next. Here you have the search box that you can use to search. Let's see what it says. At the top is the data set search box. Search here for map location for data sets available through the Earth engine, and you can import the data directly into your script. So you can just click here and start searching for data sets available and for locations that are installed. Next, what is there? So this is our cloud project we are currently working with. Note you can create a new cloud project. For your cloud project for Earth Engine computations, this project is used to track Earth Engine computation quota and control access to your asset. Use this menu to select or create a different cloud project as said earlier. So we are done with our tour. Congratulations for staying with us to the end. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.